Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, March the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the Jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number. Let me zoom this out. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8220. 8220. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 13 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13, and it's indicated with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. First question to you. Can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question. Do we have here dual boxes? I see here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes now. How about, well, not true. We have here also 2 dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, we already have a 2 here. So this box should be a 1 then. Next question. Do we have here triple boxes? I see only 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Do not know in which order. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, this is the middle box. The box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5, okay. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Let me check for quadra boxes. Here we have a quadra box. The quadra box in the L shape. When you see a quadra box in the L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box of the L shape. The inside box is always a 5. Alright. And the other numbers could be everywhere here. Alright. More quadra boxes? No. Then my following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me start with the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. But also, that box is the same number as this box. So that box is the same number as this box. Alright. Here another T shape, but upside down. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? The same shape. Let me put the same shape here. Okay. When you see this kind of shape, this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? Rotated. This box is the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1 there. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. But also here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3 shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. Maxima 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 3 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those and numbers. So let's get started filling those and numbers. These 2 boxes surround a 1 can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. If we place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 1 in this cross area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this triple box should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is also connected with that box, should be also 1, but we already have a 1 there, so it cannot be a 1 here. The only place left 1 in this area should be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, that box can be a 1, and this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area should be here. Then let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. This box can be 1. That box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. I think this box should be a 5 because give me 1, give me 2, give me 3, give me 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5 to the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2, but also that box can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Well. Let me think. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Well. 2. Let me think. These 2 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Come on. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 5. You have a double 5 there. If you place a 5 here or there, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Well. Let me think. The difficult part, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3. This box can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. And this box can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there then. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Complicated. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 1, 2. 3 is missing, and 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Yeah. Two numbers left in this area for the same numbers, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Here also two numbers left in this area for same numbers, 3 and 5, 3 and 5. Wow. Yeah. Think. No one. Well, this box can be 1, that box can be 1, and this box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. And now. Well. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1, and this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. This box can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this T-shaped area. Should be here. This box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Come on. This is taking too long. Ooh. 1. I'm thinking. 1. Well, this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, these 3 boxes can be a 1. But that box can be a 1. And I need a 1 in this area. So this box, I cannot place a 1 here. In this area. No 1 here. This box can also not be a 1. So the 1 could be here or there. Well, suppose I place the 1 there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. But we already have a 1 here. So also that box can be 1. So the only place left 1 in this area should be here. Complicated, but we have the 1 here. So if we eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 is connected with that box. So 3 and 4. But we already have a 3 there. So this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Alright. These 3 boxes. Surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and a 1. That box should be 5. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes, surround the 1 can be 1. But also this box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 now, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be 5. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and the 3 is connected with that box. Should be 2 and 3. But we already have a 3 here, so it can be a 3 and more. Should be a 2. Connected with that box. Should be so 2. 1 box left in this area for number 3. Alright. 3 and a 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this area. One was 3 and 4. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. Well, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4. Is connected with that box, should be also 4. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area from 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 2. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. 2 and 3, we have 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area, T-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3. 2 and 3 is connected with this box 2 and 3. Alright. This box can also not be a 3. So 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. 3 and a 4. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes in there. This box can be... Oh, I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes in there. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. This one is connected with that box, so we're so 3. So 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 2. And the final 2 numbers, the 3 and the 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. We sold again. But is this really a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. But not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. And we solved it again, and I like this one, yes I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Tuesday. Until then, bye bye for now.